We are here in Friends Experience in Manila. Hello mga chabibis! We were invited to visit the Friends Experience here in Manila.
Super Friends fans talaga kami na feeling namin kabarkada namin sila.
Dinala dito sa atin yung set ng Friends and ang daming scenes na nag-flashback sa amin para talaga kaming part ng show.
From the lazy boy couch, the foosball table, yung hallway nandyan din. And even the iconic yellow frame.
Pati nga si Hugsy, na-meet namin! Tumambay din kami sa kitchen ni Monica and Rachel.
Nag-end yung tour sa Central Perk, so we had coffee at nagmarites na rin kami just like the Friends gang.
And guess what? Nagamit ko ang pagkabarista ko dito kasi wala si Gunter para gumawa ng kape.
They offer the official photos which you can purchase at the end of the tour. At ang daming merch sa souvenir shop ha! We had so much fun at the Friends Experience. We even got the merch that comes with the bag. Heads up lang, the lines can get pretty long especially on weekend. Kasi naman, ang dami talagang lumaki sa barkadahan ng Friends. But we still enjoyed the experience kasi worth it talaga ang pagpila. And of course, we won't gatekeep. Union Bank offers discounts sa mga gantong experiences.
So make sure to watch out for their next ones.
Could this be any more fun?
See you in the next gala mga chabibis! Paalam!